Good afternoon, dear students. In this video lecture, I'll teach you how to solve an exact equation. So first we will prove that the equation is exact and then we will solve it. Let's start. Solve the equation y square e to the power xy square plus 4x cubed dx plus 2xy e to the power xy square minus 3y square dy is equal to 0. Let's see the solution. Here m is equal to y square e to the power xy square plus 4x cube. That is this part. This is our m. So, differentiating m with respect partially with respect to y will give us del m by del y is equal to del y of y square e to the power xy square plus del y of 4x cube. In the next line, we can write del m by del y is equal to y square del of e to the power xy square plus e to the power xy square del y of y square plus 0, because partially differentiating 4x cube with respect to y will give us 0, as in partial differentiation with respect to y, x is treated as a constant. So 4x cube is a constant here, and partially differentiating 4x cube with respect to y will give us 0. Now partial differentiation of y square e to the power xy square with respect to y will give us y square multiplied by 2xy e to the power xy square plus 2 e to the power xy square 2y plus 0, or 2xy cube e to the power xy square plus 2y e to the power xy square. So, we can write del m by del y is equal to 2xy cube e to the power xy square plus 2y e to the power xy square. We have named it as equation 1. Also, here our n is 2xy e to the power xy square minus 3y square. This is our n part. So, here n is equal to 2xy e to the power xy square minus 3y square. Differentiating n partially with respect to x will give us del n by del x is equal to del x of 2xy e to the power xy square minus del x of 3y square. Or in the next line we can write del n by del x is equal to 2xy del x of e to the power xy square plus 2y e to the power xy square del x of x minus 0, because partially differentiating 3y square with respect to x will treat y as a constant. So 3y square is a constant here. So 3y square partially differentiating with respect to x will give us 0. In the next line, we can write del n by del x is equal to 2xy multiplied by y square multiplied by e to the power xy square plus 2y e to the power xy square multiplied by 1 minus 0, or we can write del n by del x is equal to 2xy cube e to the power xy square plus 2y e to the power xy square. We have named it our equation 2. From equation 1 and equation 2, we can say that here del m by del y is equal to del n by del x. So, the given equation is exact. Now, let's solve it. So, first we have proved that equation is exact. Now, integration m dx is equal to integration y square e to the power xy square plus 4x cube dx. Here, in this integration, y is treated as a constant. Or integration m dx is equal to y square integration e to the power xy square dx plus 4 is taken out of the integration as it is a constant, integration x cube dx. Or integration m dx is equal to y square multiplied by 1 by y square e to the power xy square plus 4 multiplied by x to the power 4 by 4. Or we can write integration m dx is equal to e to the power xy square plus x to the power 4. Again, integration n dy is equal to integration 2xy e to the power xy square minus 3y square dy is equal to 2x is taken out of the integration, because integration n dy here x is a constant. So 2x is taken out of the integration. Integration y to the power xy square dy minus 3 multiplied by integration y square dy. On integrating, we will get integration n dy is equal to e to the power x y square minus y cube, where x is a constant. Now adding these two things, integration m dx plus n dy, we will get our result. So our required solution is e to the power x y square. We will add this part plus this part. So our required solution is e to the power xy square plus x to the power 4 minus y cube plus c, and we have rejected the repeating term. The repeating term is e to the power xy square. In exact equations, when we were solving, we don't need to write the same term twice. So we have rejected the repeating term, and our solution is e to the power xy square plus x to the power 4 minus y cube plus c, where c is an arbitrary constant. Thank you.